All right, hi, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We're going to take on Billy Joel's Miami 2017. We're going to do the intro in this video, and then we'll do the verse in another video, and we'll do the choruses and everything else in a third video. Here's the basic beginning. That's what it sounds like. We're going to take it in a few different parts. The left hand is pretty simple. It's 2-note chords. It starts with D and F sharp. By the way, here's middle C. We're up here in the high register. So D and F sharp, then down to a C and an E, then down to a B and a D, and then to B flat and D. Then you come down an octave and repeat it. Okay, so on the D, here's what we get. Okay, the right hand is, so it's A, D, and a little trill on the F sharp to G. Looks like this. And you hit the D chord first, like this. Next part is the C. And here we go. So there's a little D in there in between your movement here. So that's D, and now to the C. A, E, A, E. So here's two parts slow. And that's what we're up to. Next part is so that's over the B and D. So coming out. Here is, sorry. So it's G, E. Okay. And now the last one. If you notice the pattern, it's always doing these D and E's. So on the B flat, it's F, E. All right, that whole first half, here we go. Down to the G. Okay, rewind that as you need and go back over that. Now we're going to go down an octave, and we're going to do this. Start again with that D chord. So again, this is now down the lower register. We're the second time around. So, and then when you hit the C, you add this A. Watch this whole bit. And on that C, it's A, G, F sharp, E, D, A. All right, we're almost there. We got just two more. Next one. So on the G and B, you're going to play, oh sorry, down to the A. Repeat it 2 times. And here's the last one. So on the B flat. second part in its entirety. Oh, sorry, do it again. That's right. Next one. Final bit. I'll do the whole thing as slowly as I can. When I do it slow, sometimes I make mistakes. But here we go. That's this section. In the next video, we're going to do this part. Alright, we'll do that in video number 2. Thanks very much. Please visit Newschoolpiano. Please subscribe to our channel. And thank you much for watching. Bye-bye.